What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about this Cuktech 10 power bank. Yeah, I've been using many other Cuktech products for the past couple of months. I have even reviewed some of those products. Me and my girlfriend Tia, we both are in love with Cuktech products. Yeah, look at the size of this Cuktech 10,000 mAh power bank. It almost has the same size of a Snickers. I love to eat Snickers, but as Tia doesn't allow me to eat chocolates, she thinks I'm getting fat, I have to be fit, so I have to avoid chocolates. But as Thea and me, we both love this Cuktech 10 power bank. We both are using this Cuktech 10 power bank. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, then we will talk about all the features and the performance of this Cuktech 10 power bank. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I always check a few different things about a power bank. The most important thing that I care about is the safety measurements. You know, I use a maxed out iPhone 15 Pro Max, a maxed out limited edition Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I also have the top spec'd Google Pixel 8 Pro and Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Not only these, I also have many other limited edition smartphones, so I always care about the safety of my devices, safety of the gadgets that I use. As Cuktech always care about safety, they actually have implemented a few safety measurements. It's actually like a combination of different safety measurements, and those works perfectly fine. Like voltage protection, over voltage protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over amperage protection, over temperature protection, and intelligent power output. I can charge any of my devices using this Cuktech 10 power bank without being worried about whether there will be any damage or not. The second thing I care about is the speed. The wattage. Cuktech 10 can deliver up to 150 watt output through two different ports at the same time. The USB-C port can deliver up to 120 watt output to some Xiaomi devices, which supports Xiaomi's proprietary hypercharge charging protocol. More importantly, this Cuktech 10 supports different charging protocols. Like it supports Samsung's PPS programmable power supply. It supports PD, which is supported by many different devices along with Apple products. It also supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge. That means it can support any smartphones or devices which is compatible with Quick Charge charging protocol. Cuktech 10 delivers up to 45 watt charging speed to my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and you know what? That 45 watt is not like a spike or something. Cuktech 10 provides a very stable 45 watt charging speed to my Samsung devices. Cuktech 10 can also deliver up to 27 watt charging speed to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And yeah, it also offers a very fast charging speed to my iPad Pro M1 Pro. Cuktech 10 can not only recharge phones or tablets, it also can recharge any other devices, like it can deliver up to 100 watt maximum to laptops, which supports 100 watt charging speed. Cuktech has intelligently embedded another feature. We can recharge our AirPods, earbuds, or anything, the gadgets which actually require slower charging speed. So what we have to do is to press the button twice and the power bank will go into low current mode. In this mode, the gadgets or devices which requires low current mode will never get damaged and actually will get recharged at a faster speed. Well, you may have already noticed, Cuktech 10 is equipped with a very good, vivid and vibrant TFT panel. On the display panel, we can check all the necessary information like what type of wattage are we getting, which port is in use, whether the power bank is getting recharged or it is recharging some other devices. We can also check the battery status and the remaining time. You know what? This one also has always on display feature. If we enable keep your screen on, the display will go into always on display mode. Well, if you're subscribed to this channel, then you may already know that I use a Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, which comes with a very large battery. I'm happy to see that Cuktech 10 can recharge my Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 at a very fast charging speed. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 supports up to 67 watt fast charging speed. Cuktech 10 can not only deliver that, it can also deliver higher wattage to my Xiaomi 14 Pro. This Cuktech 10 can recharge my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 1.4 times, iPhone 15 Pro Max 1.3 times, and it can recharge my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 twice. My Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra gets 62% recharged within 30 minutes, and within the same period of time, my iPhone 15 Pro Max gets 56% recharged. Not only that, it can recharge Thia's Steam Deck 36% within 30 minutes because it can deliver 45 watt max to a Steam Deck. Well, as there are two ports, one USB-A and a USB-C, we can use both the ports at the same time, or we can use any of the ports at a time. If you are going to use both the ports at the same time, then you will be able to get 120 watt from the USB-C and 30 watt from the USB-A. To get 120 watt from the USB-C port, you will need to have a Xiaomi smartphone which supports 120 watt hypercharge charging protocol, which is Xiaomi's proprietary charging protocol. If you are only going to use the USB-C port, then you will be able to get 100 watt maximum based on what your device actually supports. If you are only going to use the USB-A port, then you will be able to get up to 33 watt charging speed, again depending on what your device actually supports. More importantly, Cuktech 10 supports pass-through charging. While we are recharging the power bank using the USB-C port, we can recharge another device using the USB-A port. Talking about recharging, this Cuktech 10 power bank supports up to 90 watt input. In this studio, we have tried many different times, and most of the time we have managed to fully refuel the Cuktech 10, from 0 to 100% within 37 to 38 minutes using a 100 watt power brick. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, Cuktech 10 is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and yeah, it is airline safe. Finally, let's talk about outlook, appearance and build quality. Outlook and appearance is subjective, but the way Cuktech has designed this Cuktech 10 power bank, it truly has an amazing appearance. It not only has a premium appearance, in hand it also feels premium because it is a premium power bank which comes with a budget price tag. Cuktech has used premium VO grade fire resistant materials. It is also shock and bump resistant. So altogether, Cuktech 10 has a very sturdy build quality. Personally, I like this two-tone design. The placement of the display panel and the button, everything is so very perfect. Thanks to Cuktech for adding textures at the bottom, so when I put it on a flat surface, it doesn't start sliding. It firmly stays on any flat surface. Well, that's all about this Cuktech 10 power bank. Considering the price of this Cuktech 10, it's the king of its own segment. I have left a link of this power bank in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.